How to download YouTube app on your Macbook or Mac Mini, Mac Air, anything. Open your software browser and type youtube.com and then press on this icon and drag and drop on your desktop, and then you see this kind of interface. You have to press on it and go to get info, and now type Facebook icon, sorry, YouTube icon, and drag and drop it to YouTube HTTPS here, and it's automatically. Now if you double click on your image, YouTube automatically open it. This is how you can easily download or set up YouTube apps on your Macbook. Thank you.